What are BFOQs, Bona Fide Occupational Qualifications? Have you ever wondered how some job postings specify certain characteristics that might seem discriminatory at first glance? This brings us to the concept of Bona Fide Occupational Qualifications, or BFOQs. These are legal exceptions that allow employers to make hiring decisions based on specific traits like sex, religion, national origin, or age, which are typically seen as discriminatory. However, this only applies when those traits are essential for the job or the business's operation. To qualify as a BFOQ, employers must demonstrate that the characteristic is necessary for the job's normal operation. They also need to show that it is directly related to the essential functions of the job. Lastly, there should be no reasonable alternatives to fulfill the job requirements without considering that characteristic. In the United States, laws like Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Age Discrimination in Employment Act of 1967 recognize BFOQs. These laws generally prohibit discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, and age. However, BFOQs provide narrow exceptions where such discrimination can be legally justified. It is important to note that race and color cannot be used as BFOQs under any circumstances. Examples of BFOQs can be quite straightforward. For instance, hiring a female actor for a female role is a common example. Another would be employing a religious leader who must belong to a specific faith. Additionally, setting age limits for jobs where safety is a concern, such as pilots or bus drivers, also falls under this category. From an administrative career standpoint, understanding BFOQs is essential when creating job descriptions, recruiting, and making hiring decisions. Human resource professionals must carefully assess whether a BFOQ applies to a position. This involves objectively evaluating the business need and job functions. Misusing BFOQs can lead to legal challenges and ethical dilemmas related to workplace discrimination. BFOQs serve as a limited legal framework that balances anti-discrimination laws with practical business needs. They ensure that hiring practices remain as fair while allowing exceptions only when truly necessary for the nature of the job. Understanding this concept is vital for anyone involved in administrative careers, as it helps navigate the complexities of hiring while adhering to legal and ethical standards.